Greetings. How's everyone today? Hopefully well. Um, Another walk. Only got this camera side though, but I'm gonna keep switching it. So I was thinking today. It just hit me like a little bit ago. That was nice. Nature and why we nature and why we love it so much as human beings, quote unquote. Well, you could say you can go the biblical route and go that way, where God made man out of that stuff. Well, not that particular, that's actually mulch, but you know, the dirt. And also in the before that, predated that by thousands of years, the Sumerian tablets mentioned something about that too, that they used what's it called, dirt or earth, to make people, or at least the early forms, if you want to go that route. And it would make sense because you know how, what are they called? Tree huggers, right? People make fun of. Have you guys ever hugged a tree before? Felt what it does? How you feel after you have, you know what I mean? You have that contact. I bet you haven't if you're over there laughing and making fun of that, because it's actually very, very, very soothing. And that's what actually sparked this whole little walk and talk thing. You know, those are popular these days. Yeah, it was over here actually, right there by that tree right there. I was actually thinking, and so I can see why people can love nature so much. And you know, I like nature. You know, here where I live, I don't know if I'd like nature in like Alaska or Mother Russia, you know, somewhere over there. Probably not, but I could probably get used to it. So I don't know. That's a different kind of nature, but it's nature. And so yeah, just a little quick thought about to kind of end it. We're supposedly part of nature if you want to go these routes, and I don't know what else. I don't even know, you know, what. I mean, you can say Christianity and Islam is similar because they got the same characters, just different letters for, you know what I mean, different spellings and enunciations and whatnot. Same book, same story. Just the other version. And and Judaism, it's all the same thing. So there's that, and Catholicism is still Christianity. So it's just everything's just part of that. So what else? Like I don't know what um, Hindus or Buddhists believe. They might have some kind of similar creation story, for people, for humanity. I don't know. I haven't read it. Maybe you guys know. But that's just very interesting because a lot of people are really attached to nature. I and you can heal in nature. In fact, they say go to nature, go in nature, and you'll heal, and go barefoot and all that stuff. It's not all woo woo, all that stuff. I know people are they're funny about that, but it's funny. But yeah, it makes sense. I mean, you know what I mean. It does make sense. Why we feel grounded. Why we feel grounded in nature, because we're part of it. We're part of the earth, or Tiamat, if you want to go that way. Yeah, just quick thought. Very, very interesting. Just think about nature, and I know there's been a lot of stuff coming out. A lot of people post it. I've seen many people doing the what's that tester? That device, you can check batteries and electricity and current. And that's a cool one. And they've been showing people, like, there we go. Showing people when they standing on like concrete or something, nothing happens. But when they step into the ground, the meter, that meter, starts moving because there's a current going through it. Which that's interesting, so I don't know, guys. Interesting, to say the least. But take care.